Hey y'all, Steven here with King Cloud Consulting. And today we're going to show you a little bit of a different demo. It's really answering the question of what does it look like when you open Salesforce for the very first time? It was a question I used to get a lot when I was an AE selling at Salesforce. So I thought it might be worth it to take a short look at this video. This is true as of January 2025. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might change. But regardless, the structure will probably be similar. Now, once you sign up for Salesforce, whether it's online by yourself or if you're doing it through an account executive, you're getting an email similar to this one. Pretty standard stuff. You press verify your account, and this is the only part I won't be showing. It'll just open up a new link. You can set up your new password, set your security questions for obvious reasons. As much as I love and trust you guys, I will keep my own personal information to myself. And you're going to be signing in with the username that's in this email. Keep an eye out for that because sometimes the username is slightly different than your email. You're going to need this to sign in. You can change it later. But after you've verified it, after you've changed your email, changed your password, the next screen looks like this. It's your login screen. Churn. So as I mentioned, this is the first time logging in. I haven't even logged into this instance yet. And this is what it's going to look like for either Starter Suite or Pro Suite. If you get Enterprise Edition, it's going to look a little bit different. But regardless, it's going to be a similar structure and flow. The reason why the Starter and Pro Suite are a little bit different is because Salesforce purposely built it so that it's easier to customize and might not need any help from an implementation partner such as ourselves. So you're going to have a guided walkthrough like this. What are you using Salesforce for? Sales, service, commerce, a bit of everything. Depending on which you choose, the layout in the back end is going to change once it's all configured. So keep an eye out and try to answer these to the best of your ability. Fear not, though, if you need to change it after, you can. So in this case, we're doing sales. We choose, what's hard to do. Deals are tough to manage. Reporting is tough. Select your biggest pain points. And now you have your walkthrough. Right? Simple stuff. Any website you join will probably give you something like this. But essentially, we've created this. Had I chosen service, my screen would be more service focused rather than just leads and opportunities. It would probably be showing something like cases. But from here, you can really drive and do whatever you want. You can go into your settings. If you want to update different fields or your sales stages, you can add users and business details. If you want to look at the accounts, contacts, lists, again, everything is here. If you've been part of a sales cycle, you're going to notice that this probably looks a little bit different than some of the demos that your account executives or your solution engineers have shown you. Again, the reason for that is most of the demonstrations happen in Enterprise Edition and above. Starter, Pro Suite, great if you're doing simple things and you're not really integrating Salesforce to any other systems. The second you are, the UI looks a little bit different, but you also then get a much bigger toolbox of things you can do. For example, adding a new field isn't as easy as it is in this edition. However, depending on your needs, this might be enough. Anyways, that's all for today. If you guys have any questions about this or anything else, our contact is going to be in the description below. Wishing you all the best and hope you enjoy Salesforce. Bye now.